Dear students, welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lokaseva Gurukulam online classes, part 5 of factorization. In the last class, we learned these things, means third method of factorization, that is factorization using identities. Okay, we learned four identities to factorize and give an algebraic expression. Okay, first one, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second one, a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third one, a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. And fourth one, x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Yes, I gave a small assignment, then we will check the answers for that. First one, 49y square plus 84yz plus 36z square. Observe this algebraic expression. All the terms have positive sign. First term and last term are perfect squares. How to know perfect squares? So 49y square can be written as 7y square. 7y whole square, 84yz is 2ab, 36z square is 6z whole square. See, 49y square can be written as 7y whole square, okay, plus this is 2ab term. So then this 36z square is there, means 6z whole square. Okay, next observe here, 2ab, a is 7y, b is 6z. So 2 into a means value of a is 7y into value of b 6z. Yes, now we multiply this, 2 7s are 14, 14 6 are 84 yz. Yes, this is 2ab term. See this, 7y whole square plus 2 into 7y into 6z plus 6z whole square. This is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Apply a and b value. A value is 7y, b value is 6z. So a plus b whole square means 7y plus 6z whole square. Next, second one, a power 4 minus 2a square b square plus b power 4. So it looks like a square minus 2ab plus b square form. Yes. So a power 4 can be written as a square into a square. So a power 4 is equals to a square into a square. Yes. So a square into a square. A into a is a square, you know. A into a is equals to a square. In the same way, a square into a square is equals to a square whole square. Yes. So I write a power 4 can be written as a square whole square minus 2a square b square plus b square whole square. Yes, look here, this formula is applicable for this. So in the place of a square is there, in the place of b, b square is there. So apply that, a minus b whole square. So a square minus b square whole square. So look at inside the bracket, this is formula of a square minus b square. You know, a is here, a is equal to a, b is equals to b. Then a plus b into a minus b square as it is. Yes. So a plus b into a minus b whole square means a plus b square into a minus b whole square. So it looks like a into b whole power m. A into b whole power m is equals to a power m into b power m. You know the laws of exponent. So this applicable here. So this power m means 2 a plus b whole square into a minus b whole square. Okay, we need not to explain these formulas, because if we extend this formula and simplify, we will get this only. Okay. Next, third one, L plus m whole square minus L minus m whole square. Observe this, consider this whole term is A, okay, and this whole thing is B. So now it looks like A square minus B square. A square minus B square is equals to A plus B into A minus B. Very simple. A is L plus m, B is L minus m. Apply this, A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. Very simple. Next, simplify this. See, L plus m as it is, plus into plus, plus L, plus into minus, minus m. Next, bracket close. L plus m as it is, minus into plus, minus L, minus into minus, plus m. Okay, observe here. Yes, this is plus m, this is minus n, cancel here. So here plus L minus L cancel. Then the remaining thing is L plus L means 2L, m plus m 2m. So 2L into 2m. 2 2s are 4, L into m, Lm. So 4 Lm is the answer. So this is first method. Another method is also there to solve this. Yes, method 2. Yes, look at this. This looks like A plus B whole square, and this looks like A minus B whole square. Yes, so apply that. A plus B whole square, A square L square plus m square plus 2Lm, or L square plus 2Lm plus n square, minus A minus B whole square, L square minus 2Lm plus m square. Observe that. Next, simplify that. L square plus 2Lm plus m square, minus into plus minus L square, minus into minus plus 2Lm, minus into plus minus m square. Very simple. So see here, plus m square minus m square, plus L square minus L square. The remaining thing is 2Lm, 2Lm, 2Lm plus 2Lm, 4Lm. That is the answer. So there are two methods are there to solve this. Next, third one, p square plus 6p plus 8. Observe this. In this expression, the third term 8 is not a perfect square. So which formula we have to use? Which identity? That is x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So see, in the place of x square, p square is there, means x is equals to p. In the place of a plus b, 6 is there, see, 6, a plus b. In the place of ab, 8 is there, last term. So we found out a is equals to 4, b is equals to 4. How? B is equals to 2. How can we find out that? Yes, very simple. A and b are the factors of 8, right? Factors of 8. So 1 into 8 is equals to 8. Next, 2 into 4 is equals to 8. Next, 4 into 2 is equals to 8. Next, 8 into 1 is equals to 8. Okay, observe this. This is a value and this is b value. Okay, apply. 1 plus 8, 9. So if you add those two to get a 6, but here 1 plus 8, 8, this is not applicable. 1 plus 8 is 9, this is not applicable. So second one, 2 plus 4, 6. If you multiply those two, 2 and 4, 2 4 is 8. So if you multiply, you should get 8. If you add, you should get 6. So this is applicable. Okay. So a is 4, b is 2, or you can alter, no problem. This is also applicable. 4 plus 2, 6, 4 2 is 8, this is also applicable. You can alter, no problem. A is equals to 2, b is equals to 4, you can alter like that. Okay, that is also correct. Yes. Next, see, observe here, p square plus 6p plus 8 is there. So p square 6p can be written as 4p plus 2p. because you know a and b value is a is 4p, a is 4, b is 2, so 4p plus 2p, then 8 can be written as 4 into 2. So observe here, this is in the form of this identity. Okay, the factors are x plus a into x plus b. X is p and a is 4, b is 2. So p plus 4 into p plus 2. These are the factors of given algebraic expression. Yes, today topics to be learnt. Division of algebraic expression. In that first one, division of monomial by another monomial, division of polynomial by monomial, division of polynomial by another polynomial. Okay, these three methods we will learn. These are the division of polynomials or expressions. Yes, we will check one by one. Before going to that, we have to know what is mean by polynomial. Polynomial means any expression with one or more terms. Okay, one term is also called as polynomial. Any expression with one or more terms is called polynomials. One term expression is also called as polynomial, but specifically one term expression is called as monomial. Examples: 2x, x square and x into x plus 2. You are thinking this is three term expression. Yes? Yes, but in the last class I told you factor form of an expression has only one term. This is a factor form, so it is considered as only one term. If you multiply this x square plus 2x, that is two term, but here this is in factor form. So this is factor form of an expression has only one term. Next, second one, two term expression is called binomial. Bi means two. See, x plus 3, x square plus 3x, these are our example for binomial. Next, third one, three term expression is called trinomial. Tri means three, trinomial. So example, ax square plus bx plus c. Next, 4x square plus 2x minus 1. These are all examples for trinomial. Yes, division of algebraic expression. We learnt addition of algebraic expression, subtraction of algebraic expression, multiplication of algebraic expression, but we have to know how to divide and two algebraic expression. Okay, how to divide? Yes. For number, how we do division? Yes, see, for example, 24 divided by 16. 24 divided by 16 is there. 16. What we have to do? So, write the prime factors of, see here, write the prime factors of numerator and denominator. See, prime factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Prime factors of 16 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So, here these 3 2's and these 3 2's, the remaining thing is 3 by 2. So, 3 by 2 is the answer for this. So, what we are doing this? Just we are find the prime factors of numerator and denominator, cancel the common factors. These 2 into 2 into 2 is common for both numerator and denominator. So, we will cancel those. Then write the answer. Yes, but exactly same we have to do for algebraic expression also. The only difference is instead of numbers in algebraic expression we have numbers and variables. Okay, in the numbers we have only numbers, but in algebraic expression we have numbers and variables, means constants and variables. Yes, we will go one by one. First one, division of a monomial by another monomial. See, for example, minus 20 x power 4 divided by x power 10 into x square. See, minus 20 x power 4 divided by 10 x square. For number, what we have to do? We write the prime factors of numerator and denominator. In algebra, instead of prime, we use irreducible form. Okay, irreducible form. So you should write irreducible form of numerator and denominator. So see, 1 is a factor of every number, you know, but I used this. Generally we are not writing factor 1, but here I wrote. Why? Because it is specially needed to show minus sign, to show negative sign. That's why I write. Okay. Then minus 1 into prime factors of 20 are 2 into 2 into 5. Okay. Then x power 4 is there. X power 4 means x into x into x into x. Okay. Next 10x square. Prime factors of 10 are 2 into 5. X square is x into x. See here, x into x, x into x. Common factors in numerator and denominators. So 2 into 5, 2 into 5. Cancel. The remaining thing is minus 1 into plus 2, minus 2 into x into x. So the final answer is minus 2x square. What we do? First write in irreducible form. First we can write irreducible form of terms. Next cancel the common factors. Okay. Now we are writing irreducible forms of numerator and denominator. Then we are cancelling the common factor. Then we will get the answer. Yes. Second one, 34x cube y cube z cube divided by 51x y square z cube. So see here, 34x cube y cube z cube. Write the prime factors of 34 means 2 into 17. Next irreducible form of x cube y cube z cube is x into x into x, y into y into y, z into z into z. Next 51x y square z cube. Prime factors of 51 is 3 into 17. So x as it is, y square can be written as y into y, z cube can be written as z into z into z. So observe here any common factors in numerator and denominator. Yes, here 3z cancel. Next 2y and 2y cancel. 1x and another x. 3 is there. There is no 3 here. That is not a common factor. So 17 and 17 cancel. The remaining thing is 2 into x into y divided by 3. So this is the answer. So 2 into x is x square and y. So 2 by 3 into x square y. This is the answer. Yes. Next, second one, division of a polynomial by monomial. Okay. Previously we did monomial by monomial. Here polynomial by monomial. So this is very simple. Observe here, 5x square minus 6x divided by 3x. So 5x square minus 6x divided by 3x is there. So this is the numerator and this is denominator. What we have to do? First divide each term of the numerator, polynomial in the numerator, by the monomial in the denominator. What we have to do? Divide each term of the polynomial in the numerator by the monomial in the denominator. So here in the numerator we have 5x square minus 6x. This is a polynomial. In the denominator 3x is there. So first term 5x square divided by 3x, minus sign minus. Second term 6x divided by 3x. So each term of the numerator can be divided by each term of the denominator. Means here only one term is there in denominator. So each term of the numerator is divided by monomial in the denominator. So here we divide the each term of polynomial in the numerator by the monomial in the denominator. Means we make it monomial divided by monomial. See, observe this. This is monomial divided by monomial. This is also monomial divided by monomial. Yes? Yes. So after this we get monomial by monomial. Means which formula we are using here? That is, we are using distributive law of division. That is, A divided by A plus B divided by C is equals to A divided by C plus B divided by C. A plus B divided by C is equals to A divided by C, A divided by C plus B divided by C. Okay, or A plus B divided by C is equals to A divided by C plus B divided by C. This is distributive law of division. We are using this. See, this is polynomial, this is monomial. A divided by C plus B divided by C. Next, see here, simplify this, what we get? 5x square can be written as x into x divided by 3 into x minus 6 can be written as 2 into 3 into x, 6x divided by 3 into x. Observe here, x cancel. Next 3x and 3x cancel. The remaining thing is 5 divided by 3 into x minus 2. This is the answer. Okay. Yes. Second one, x cube plus 2x square plus 3x divided by 2x. See, this is a trinomial, this is monomial. Okay, polynomial by monomial. Yes, see, x cube plus 2x square plus 3x divided by 2x. Okay, simple, x cube divided by 2x, 2x square divided by 2x plus 3x divided by 2x. Okay, next what we have to do? Write the irreducible form. See, x cube can be written as x into x divided by 2x, 2x square 2 into x divided by 2x, 2 into x plus 3 into x divided by 2 into x. Observe here, x, next 2 into x and 2 into x, next 3 into x is there, see here 2 into x and x cancel. The remaining thing is x into x square 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2 x square plus x plus 3 by 2. This is the answer. Okay. Yes. Next, division of a polynomial by another polynomial. Okay. If we have monomial by monomial, what we have to write the irreducible form of numerator and denominator, cancel the common factors. If we have polynomial by monomial, what we are doing? Simply converting that to monomial by distributing law. Next, writing the irreducible form and cancel the common factors. Here the third one is division of a polynomial by another polynomial. See, first one, 7x square plus 14x divided by x plus 2. Here x plus 2 is there. Here 7x square plus 14x. What we have to do? Very simple. First check the numerator and match the factors with denominator. Okay. This is numerator and this is denominator. In the denominator we have the factor x plus 2. X plus 2. So in the numerator 7x square plus 14x is there. So try to match this factor in the denominator. Okay. We can write this in factors form and try to match the factors as the denominator. Okay. See, 7x square plus 14x is there. So 7x square can be written as 7 into x plus 14x, 2 into 7 into x divided by x plus 2. After this, observe this, in this 7x and 7x is the common. So take out 7x common, then x plus 2 is remaining. Okay. Here observe this, now the factors of denominator and numerator are matching. Here also x plus 2, here also x plus 2. Very simple, cancel these. The answer is 7x. This is very simple. Yes, see. Next, 5p square minus 25p plus 20 divided by p minus 1. Okay. See. 5p square minus 25p plus 20 is equals to, here all the terms has 5 common. Okay, if you write the irreducible form, Okay, 5p square as it is, 25p can be written, wait, I will write this, 5p square minus 25p, okay, plus 20 is there. So if you write irreducible form of 25 and 20, see here 5p square as it is, okay, minus 25 can be written as 5 into 5 into p, plus 20 can be written as 5 into 4. Observe, all these has 5 as common, so take out common as 5. So in first term p square is remaining minus 5p plus 4. Okay. Next, see, look at this, p square minus 5p plus 4. Okay, I told if the third last term is not a perfect square, we can use one formula by identity, that is fourth identity. But why we are not using here? That is also possible, but if you take out common, that is simple. So I took common factor. Okay, if you take out common, if you instead of taking common factor, if you want to do, so you can multiply 20 into 5, that is 100, means in this position 100 is there. Okay, then you can solve. But I took common factor and simplify this as p square minus 5p plus 4. So 4 is a perfect square. Yes, but here also p square minus 5p is there. So this is applicable for x plus a into x plus b. X plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Yes, observe here, the third term is perfect square. Still I am using this. Yes. So in the place of a square, p square is there, because this is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, you are thinking. Okay, means this last term is perfect square and middle term is negative, then this identity will be applicable. In the place of a square is there. In the place of b square, 4 is there. Okay, means 4 can be written as 2 square. So 2ab middle term, yes. So 2 is 2 into a is p, okay, into b is 2. Okay, apply this, 2 2s are 4 p, but here minus 5p. If you apply 2ab, the values you will get 4p. Yes, a is p, b is 2. Okay, a is p, b is 2, 2ab will get 4p, but in the middle term we have 5 minus 5p. So this formula not applicable to this. Okay, so that we are using this formula. Yes, x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Sir, this formula is applicable for that the term which has the last term and first term as a perfect square, for that also? Yes, it is applicable for that also. Okay. Yes, observe here, x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So in the place of x square, what is there? P square. In the place of x square, p square is there. So to want x is equals to p. If we add a and b, we will get minus p. If we multiply a and b, we will get 4. So a is equals to minus 1, b is equals to minus 1. How we get a is equals to minus 4 and b is equals to minus 1? A and b are the factors of 4. You know, factors of 4 are 1 into 4, 1 into 4 is equals to 4, 2 into 2 is equals to 4. Okay, next 4 into 1 is equals to 4. Okay, these are the factors of a and b. Okay, see here, this is a factors and this is b. Okay, these are value of a, these are value of b. Take, apply 1 plus 4, that is 5. Yes, we have 5 only. Okay, 1 into 4, 4. Yes, we want 4 only. Yes, but we want minus 5. If we add those two, we want minus 5. If the numbers which has both the numbers has same sign, then only we add. If it has plus and plus, we can add. If it has minus and minus, we can add. But here to get minus 5, we have to add minus 4 and minus 1, so that a value is minus 1, minus 4, b value is minus 1. You can alter a is equals to minus 1, b is equals to minus 4, that is also correct. Yes, 5 into p square as it is, 5 minus 5 can be written as minus 4p minus 1p plus 4 into 1. So we know that formula, x plus a into x plus b. X is p, p plus 4, actually this is 5 into p plus of minus 4, okay, then into p plus of minus 1. So plus into minus, minus p minus 4, p plus into minus, minus p minus 1. This is the answer. 5 into p minus 4 into p minus 1 are the factors of given algebraic expression. So see, now 5p square minus 25p plus 20, this numerator. So we know the factors of numerator, that is 5 into p minus 4 into p minus 1. So divided by p minus 1 is there. Here p minus 1 and p minus 1 get cancelled. The remaining thing is 5 into p minus 4. So we always look at the factors in the denominator and try to get the same factors in the numerator also. Okay, here p minus 1 is there in the denominator. So we should get p minus 1 as a factor in the numerator also. Okay, in the denominator p minus 1 is a factor. So try to get p minus 1 as a factor in numerator. Okay, so then only common factor will come, then cancel. Okay, the answer is 5 into p minus 4. Yes, next one, 12xy into 9x square minus 16y square divided by 4xy into 3x plus 4y. Yes, observe here, this is numerator and this is denominator. So our duty is try to get the denominator factors in the numerator. So take the numerator, that is 12xy into 9x square minus 16y square. Try to get the factors in denominator. Okay, so 12 prime factors of 12 are 3 into 4, x into y as it is, into 9x square. 9x square can be written as 3x whole square, 3x whole square. Okay, minus 16y square can be written as 4y whole square. Okay, see here, this looks like a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, yes, 3 into 4 into x into y as it is. So here a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, a is 3x, b is 4y. Next, what we have to do, see, you get 3x minus 4y, 3x plus 4y, here also 3x plus 4y in the denominator. Now apply this, divide by this is equals to, these factors will come here. Okay, and the denominator 4xy into 3x plus 4y. So 3x plus 4y and 3x plus 4y will get cancelled. Next, 4 into x into y, 4 into x into y, cancel. Okay, now observe the remaining thing is 3 into 3x minus 4y. Yes, this is the answer. Yes, now we did 3 type of division of algebraic expression. First one, monomial by monomial. Second one, polynomial by monomial. Third one, polynomial by polynomial. Just recap of division of algebraic expression. If we have monomial by monomial, what we have to do? First write in irreducible form. Okay, irreducible form. Next cancel out the common factors, then you will get answer. This is only two steps. Write in irreducible form and cancel out the common factors. If you have polynomial divided by monomial, what we have to do? Divide each term of the polynomial in the numerator by the monomial in the denominator. Okay, you have polynomial in the numerator, okay, and monomial in the denominator. If you write the each term of the polynomial in the numerator, divide by monomial which is in denominator, okay, then that means you get monomial by monomial. Next step is write in irreducible form. Next cancel out the common factors. These three steps we are using to solve polynomial divided by monomial. If we have polynomial by polynomial, what we are doing? First step, factorize the numerator and denominator. Factorize means we find out the factors of numerator and denominator. We are trying to get the same factors which are present in denominator in numerator also, okay. Then cancel out the common factors. In this step we are trying to get the factors which are in denominator as in numerator, okay. Then cancel out the common factor, then you will get the answer. I hope you are understood very well, okay. Then to understand that, how you understand, to know that, I will give a small assignment. Write following division. See, 66 p q square r cube divided by 11 q r square. Second one, p cube q power 6 minus p power 6 q power 3 divided by p power 3 q power 3. Third one, 10y into 6y plus 21 divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. Next, 39y cube into 50y square minus 98 divided by 26y square into 5y plus 7. Very simple, you can do. This is monomial by monomial. Yes, this is polynomial by monomial. Then this is also, but actually this is a one term, means monomial divided by monomial, you can do it, okay. These four, very easy. Yes, with this we conclude this part. Thank you. Sai Ram.